In this video, we'll demonstrate how to add new contacts in WhatsApp. But before we dive into the main content, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn how to expand your WhatsApp contacts. Please share your thoughts in the comments below, as your feedback helps us create better content for you. Now, let's get started. Adding contacts on WhatsApp is a simple process, and we have two different methods to do it. Method 1. Using your phone application. 1. Open your phone's application. Click on the plus sign. Enter the contact's name. 5. Scroll down and tap Add Form. 6. Enter the phone number with the country code. 7. Tap Add and then Done to save the changes. 8. Close the phone app. Now, open WhatsApp. In WhatsApp, tap on the icon at the top right to create a new conversation. 2. Scroll down to find the contact you've just added. Alternatively, you can use the search bar to enter someone's username and open a conversation with them. Method 2. Adding new contacts from WhatsApp directly. 1. Open WhatsApp and go to the Chats section. 2. Tap on the icon for adding a new contact. 3. Enter the phone number with the country code. 4. WhatsApp will check if this phone number is on WhatsApp. 5. Enter a username or name for the contact and tap Add or Save. 6. Now, you can start a conversation with the added contact. That's how you can easily add new contacts on WhatsApp. If you have any questions or need further guidance, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. Your engagement is valuable to us. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications on. Your likes and comments inspire us to create more content like this, and subscribing ensures you won't miss our future tutorials. For more informative videos, please visit our website at MediaMagnetGuide.com. Thanks for watching.